Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your past posts on your Facebook profile. So I am here on my Facebook account. If I go here to my profile, you can see I have some posts that has posted to public. If I go down here, you see it all posted to public. If I want, or if you want you to limit this to only friends, first we go and tap on three lines on top right here, and from here we scroll down until we see setting and privacy. We tap on it, and from here we go and tap on settings, and from here we scroll down here until we find posts. Now from here you go and choose limit who can see past posts, and from here you tap on limit past posts. It will turn all public posts and photos to only friends. So you should know that if you limit this, you can undo this. If you want to undo this, you should go and change every post at once. So here I will go and tap on limit past posts. Now the change is complete. If I go back to my profile and make refresh, now if I go down here, you will see the posts audience is changed to friends. If I go down here, you will see all posts is changed to only friends. So thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please comment below and like this video.